Now I will tell you. Just listen. Okay, Ishma.
Yes, sir.
You are talking about nature of the acidic nature of the oxides, right?
Yes.
Listen. For same element, when the oxidation number increases, acidic nature increases. Cl2O greater than ClO2, greater than Cl2O6, greater than Cl2O7. Understood?
Yes.
N2O3 greater than N2O4, greater than N2O4. As oxidation state increases for same element, acidic nature increases. First point. Second point, electronegativity increases, acidic nature increases. N2 of P4O10 greater than SO3 greater than N2O5 less than P4O10 less than Cl2O7. Understood?
Yes.
Hello, Ishma.
Yes, sir. Got it.
First point is as oxidation state increases, acidic nature increases for acidic oxides. As electronegativity increases, acidic nature increases. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you one question. You asked me one question. In the second period, which is most acidic oxide? In the second period. Not Ishmael, you answer. In the second period, which is most acidic oxide?
Fluorine.
Say it loudly. Whether it is wrong or right.
So oxide of fluorine will be greater, sir.
You be on the line, microphone. You just stay there. You are coming and going.
So there is a problem, sir, with my phone.
You stay there only. But you know, again you have gone.
Yes, sir. Now.
You know, there are no oxides for fluorine. For your information.
Yes, sir. Only fluorides.
Fluorides. OF2, O2F2 are fluorides of oxygen. No oxides. Then, in the second period, which is most acidic oxide? Varshita or anyone can tell. Not only Ishma. బాగా ఆలోచించి చెప్పు.
N2O5.
Say loudly. Say loudly, clear.
N2O5, sir.
N2O5. Yes, 100%. N2O5 is most acidic oxide of the second period. Andhra evaru rasaru? They will give option OF2. OF2 is not oxide. It is a fluoride of oxygen. Understood?
Yes.
In the third period, what is most acidic oxide? In the third period, which is most acidic oxide?
Cl2O7.
Tell me.
oxide, silicon oxide.
చెప్పమ్మా. ఉన్నత ఇప్పుడు చెప్పరా, ఇప్పుడు ఏదది వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ దట్
Cl2O7.
Cl2O7 like that. But don't confuse such questions, right? Such questions only they will give. So this weekend you have oxides, oxyacids, exceptions of fluorine, anomalous behavior of fluorine, and that is what you call as the interhalogen compounds, chlorine, small part of HCl you have. Is it not? So we have to teach only chlorine and HCl. Interhalogen compounds are also completed. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
We have to complete only chlorine and HCl. Small part. Transitional elements, he has given up to only electronic configurations, right?
Yes, sir.
That's only beginning, and moreover, you have no test on this Sunday, right?
Yes, sir.
So a lot of time is there. Don't worry about that. Anyhow, I will complete it by tomorrow and day after tomorrow. By maybe I am not available in the next week for 2 days or 3 days. I don't know. So that's why I'll complete your syllabus. Then I will push off. I will send you. Already I sent you 5th A, 6th A, 7th A assignments, not to you.
Yes, sir.
That's the thing. Mr. Baleshwar, can you open interhalogen compounds? You open it. PDF. You have PDF, open it. Did you open? Not share it, read it. Why should I share it for me? Not necessary. I never touch the book only. For some problems, I will just check your this one. Tell me, you just read it. Interhalogen compounds. All of you listen. Varshita, Shreya. Okay? Sarush, concentrate on this. In meanwhile, I will ask you some questions. You have to answer. See, in order to develop subject, there should be more interaction like this. If there is no interaction, you never get subject. And I go on teaching. That's all. There is a monotony. Baleshwar, can you open? So how many types interhalogen compounds? Why there are 4 types? First question. Don't bother about, because we'll analyze like this. Why there are 4 types? This interhalogen compounds are 4 types. Why?
So 3 characteristic oxidation states they show.
What Afrin say?
Sir, oxidation states, sir, they have 4 different oxidation states in the ground state, first excited state, etc.
Yes, they have +1, +3, +4, +5.
+3,
+7. Sorry, +1,
+5 and
+3,
+7.
+5 and +7. Understood? That is the reason. Whatever you said, Baleshwar, is also correct. Due to different excited state. I accept it. Next word. Baleshwar, listen. This is the way you have to study inorganic, line by line, right? Next. I'm unable to understand. Again, read it. Hmm? 8. For example, IF7. Iodine 1 and fluorine 7, right? Total? How many? How many? 8. Next, over. IF7. Total atoms are 8. Central atom along with central atom. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, depend upon temperature and all those things, they will form. Okay, next. There are melting and boiling points are higher than expected. Okay, next. Why they are hetero bonds? Tell me. Why they are heteroatomic bonds? Why they are heteroatomic bonds? One, suppose CLF. Fluorine is less electronegative, fluorine is more electronegative. Fluorine attains partial positive charge, fluorine attains partial negative charge. Understood? Because of that, bond dissociation energy is less and they are more reactive. Okay? Because of the polarity, they are more reactive. Due to greater polarity, they are more reactive. Next. Don't compare with fluorine. Fluorine is a king of the halogens, king of the non-metals, because super halogen it is. We can't compare anything with fluorine. Because fluorine is an exception. That's an exception. We can't compare with fluorine, with anything. With chlorine, bromine, and iodine, you compare, but not with fluorine. It is above all in the reactivity. because fluorine reacts with non-metals, metals, noble gases, gold, platinum. With all it reacts. Highly reactive. Next. That is very important. Suppose you take ClF3. Highly electronegative is fluoride. It forms HF. Chlorine plus 3. It forms chlorous acid, HClO. So oxy acid from less electronegative atom. Hydrogen halide from more electronegative atom. Understood? Underline that. That is more important. One of the expected questions. One of the expected questions is that. Are you reading NCERT or material? Okay, right. Next. Okay, that already I have given you. XX is a linear, XX3 is a T-shape, XX5 is a square pyramidal, XX7 is pentagonal bipyramidal. I have given you the shapes, right? And Afrin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
For example, IF5. Okay, can you tell me the shape of IF5?
So square pyramidal.
Square bipyramidal, right?
Yes, sir.
Square bipyramidal. He will ask you one thing. Oh, okay, the shape you take it. How many atoms are there in the plane?
4 atoms, sir.
4 atoms. Again, I am asking the question. IF5 is square bipyramidal. Square pyramidal. Square pyramidal. How many atoms are there in the plane?
4 atoms.
5. 5, sir.
5 ever చెప్పారు? Who said 5? Who said 5? ఎవరు చెప్పారు? 5 అని చెప్పింది గాళ్ళు ఎవరు? Say loud.
So this is Khushi.
ఖుషి. అట్లా నాకు పేరు కూడా తెలుస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే నేను ఎట్లా 5 వచ్చినాయి ఖుషి?
Sir, 1 I atom in the middle and 4 surrounding.
100% excellent. 4 fluorines, 1 iodine is in the middle. There are 5 atoms are there. This type of questions they will ask you. Understood, Kushi?
Yes.
Suppose in IF7, how many are in the plane?
6, sir.
6, sir.
In how many atoms are in the plane? IF7, Kushi?
6.
6 you are saying. What about Baleshwar? 5 only. What about Afrin?
6, sir.
6. Varshita? What is the shape of IF7? Can you say?
Pentagonal bipyramidal.
Pentagonal bipyramidal. Okay. Tell me. How many are in the
Sir, it
plane
is
there?
5.
5 only. Varshita?
6, sir.
6. Varshita. Sarush?
5, sir.
5. What about Kushi?
6.
6. None is there. None. 0. It is a pentagonal bipyramidal. It is not at all plane. Understood? Pentagonal bipyramidal అంటే pentagonal ఉంటుంది. అది ప్లేన్ లో ఎట్లుంది? అది 72 degrees ఉంది బాండ్ యాంగిల్. అవునా?
Sir, 3D structure.
Pentagonal bipyramidal. It is 72 degrees bond angle. ప్లేన్ లో ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది? అది స్క్వైర్ అన్న ట్రైగోనల్ ప్లేనార్ అన్న ప్లేన్ ఉంటది. ఇక్కడ ఎట్లుంటది? అండర్స్టూడ్ బలేశ్వర్? అట్లా ఇస్తాడు, సడన్ గా స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తాడు క్వశ్చన్, మనం దాన్ని క్యాచ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇంతే, ఇంటర్ హాలోజన్ కాంపౌండ్స్ నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది ఇవే. ఇంతకంటే ఎక్కువ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏం అడగడు. అండర్స్టూడ్?
Yes, sir.
ఇట్లా సరే, మనం విల్ గో టు స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ టు ఆక్సీ యాసిడ్స్. Oxy acids of chlorine. In which oxy acid fluorine has +1 oxidation state?
O2F2.
HO.
No,
HOF.
H2F.
HOF. Of course, it is unusually formed. Go to oxy acids of chlorine. In oxy acids of chlorine, what are the oxy acids names? May Kushi, can you tell? Oxy acids names of chlorine with formulas.
Sir, actually, I've joined today only, so I have not covered this topic.
ఇది నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు నాన్న.
Sir, I've shifted to this campus today, so in our campus, this topic was not covered.
Kushi ఎక్కడ ఉందని? You were there earlier. You actually had a touch with me, right?
Yes, sir, I was in Adarsha campus.
అదే కదా, నాకు ఖుషి సడన్ గా వచ్చిందే, ఎవరబ్బా అని నేను అనుకుంటున్నా. వాట్ ఐఎమ్ థింకింగ్, జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్ అఫ్రీన్, హూ ఇస్ ఖుషి? You shifted from Adarsha campus to
Saraswati campus.
Saraswati campus. Okay, you shifted. Earlier we discussed na Kushi, some interactions were there na.
Yes, sir, you used to take our classes last year.
Yeah, that only that. Okay. Don't bother. Okay. That only I encouraged Afrin to come to this campus, and as well as you also came. Good. 2-3 girls are there in Jubilee Hills campus. If they would have come to this campus, it is quite good. I told 2-3 times to Afrin also. Okay. What I asked the question, Baleshwar? Oxy acids. What are the names of the oxy acids of chlorine? Can you tell, Afrin?
Yes, sir. Hypochlorous acid, HOCl, chlorous acid, HClO2, chloric acid, HClO3, and HClO4 is perchloric acid.
Okay. What is how can you narrate the properties of them?
Sorry, sir?
कैसा बोल सकते? HOCl to HClO4. Any differences in the properties? कैसा बोल सकते हैं?
So
Baleshwar,
bond energy decreases.
what
Bond length decreases, sir.
అట్లా కాదు, acidic nature increases. Good. Oxidizing nature decreases. HOCl is a stronger oxidizing agent, right?
Yes.
HOCl to HOB or HOI. From that, oxidizing nature increases. But HOCl to HClO4, acidic nature definitely increases. Acidic nature is tendency to donate proton. Oxidizing nature is tendency to give nascent oxygen. So from HOCl to HClO4, definitely acidic nature increases, oxidizing nature decreases. For example, what is the shape of ClO2 minus?
Angular shape.
Angular shape. ClO3 minus?
Pyramidal.
ClO4 minus shape?
Tetrahedral.
ClO minus to ClO4 minus ClO
Linear.
bond. ClO bond length?
Bond length decreases.
Decreases.
Energy?
Increase.
Increases.
Definitely. 100%. This type of questions they will ask you. 100%. Perchloric acid is the strongest acid. You know, generally per means there is a peroxy bond. The only oxy acid without peroxy bond is perchloric acid. Strongest acid among all carboxylic, all inorganic acids.
So once can you repeat, sir?
What, ma'am?
About perchloric acid.
Ah,
Once can you repeat that sentence, sir? The only oxy acid.
I am not getting your ask clearly. Sound with sound.
Sir, actually you were telling about perchloric acid, no sir, the only oxy acid.
Which have no peroxy bond. Generally, per means, you know, you take any per nitric acid, per phosphoric acid, per sulfuric acid. All these have peroxy bonds, O bonds. This is the only oxy acid without peroxy bond. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is the beauty of the perchloric acid. Strongest acid among all oxy acids. ఇట్లా డిస్కస్ చేయాలి మనం ఇట్లా డిస్కస్ చేస్తే సబ్జెక్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఊరికైనా బోర్డు మీద టీచింగ్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తే వేస్ట్. మీ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఊరికైనా టీచింగ్ చేయమంటారు. ఎందుకు టీచింగ్? ఇట్లా డిస్కస్ చేసి ఇంటరాక్షన్ నడిపితే సబ్జెక్ట్ విల్ కమ్. అండర్స్టూడ్?
Yes, sir.
మీకున్న స్పిరిట్ ఆ ఫస్ట్ బ్యాచ్ కి లేదు. వాళ్ళు ఏదో దానిలో ఉన్నారు. సెకండ్ బ్యాచ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ లో కొంచెం స్పిరిట్ ఉంది. ఇంకేం కావాలి? అంతే. ఆక్సీ యాసిడ్స్, ఆక్సైడ్స్ and interhalogen compounds completed. We have pending only chlorine and HCl, right?
Yes, sir.
ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. Open your text material. Inside any doubts are there, you clarify and save chlorine and HCl. 5 minutes we can complete that. That is not a matter. It's a chlorine only bigger topic and HCl is a very small topic. We can complete it tomorrow. In meanwhile, you check what are the doubts you have, you can clarify. Afrin,
Yes, sir.
this Kushi belongs to Jubilee's branch earlier.
No, sir.
No, you are Afrin of Jubilee's or Afrin of Adarsha?
Sir, Jubilees.
What about Afrin of Adarsha? She is still
I
there.
don't know.
What happened to her? I am unable to understand.
Yes, sir, she's there. She's in Adarsha campus only, sir.
I am unable to understand. Who is saying?
Sir, she's in Adarsha campus only, Afri.
Ishma, she is in not super 60 batch.
No, sir.
Not this campus, Saraswati campus.
No,
She is
sir.
still in Adarsha only, Ishma.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some good girls are there. That's why, at the time of interaction, just now I interacted with Kushi. I long back, I interacted with her. She used to say some, this one. Whenever I asked questions, she answered. And similarly, Kriti and Some Afrin knows those girls with K, comes with the letters K. And this Afrin.
Yes, sir.
This
Kriti and
Afrin,
Krishna.
this Afrin is from Adarsha. If all they shifted to Saraswati, I don't know about your financial problems and all those things. If you would have come to, then it is better. So Afrin shifted from so-called Jubilees to Attapur to Adarsha to SR Nagar. This type of people have spark in them. Afrin, there was one boy also at that time. He used to answer sharply. Do you remember from Jubilees?
Sir, from Jubilee Hills, there was no boy, sir. From Attapur, maybe, yes, sir.
Huh?
Maybe you're
From
referring to
Attapur.
Attapur, sir.
Attapur, Sri Harsha.
Sri Harsha, yes, sir. Sri Harsha and even Utkarsh also used to answer.
I remembered him name. Sri Harsha only, na?
Yes.
Where is he now?
Attapur campus, sir.
He's a good boy. He would have come to a Saraswati campus. He might well get a good result. So that only I remembered certain personalities at that time. They answered very well in the beginning. What, Baleshwar, any doubts? Ready? Any doubt, you ask me, clarify. Tomorrow we'll complete chlorine and HCl. And I'm not getting. Allied section, huh? For them also these groups are going on. That is comes to metallurgy, they are same thing.
Transition elements.
I'm trans as the D block elements.
Yes.
Yes, now this is completed, seventh day completed, got to D block, that's all. Baleshwar, don't think about the allied batch because you know, if you want to get better rank, right? Be stick to this batch. Be stick to this batch. Definitely will get a better rank. Because they for Elite they go on changing the program, right? Based on 1 to 100, they will go on change the program. So the people will definitely suffer. So that's why not necessary. Stick to this program, do it well, definitely will get better seat. This is my, with experience, I am telling you. Baleshwar, Shreya, Shreya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
In the evening, the organic class is from today 6:45. There was a
Okay,
meeting.
sir.
Okay. And where is Baleshwar? He didn't respond. Yeah, you just pass the message. We have starting a meeting at 5:15. Maybe ends at 6 o'clock today. After that, seniors, after for you, right? Which one? That only I'm telling you now. Today I said you.
No, sir.
No, sir, on Sunday.
Today I
So
didn't say
actually, this Sunday
Baleshwar.
we don't have an exam, sir. That is
Yeah,
why we suggested
that's
for
why
an extra class.
I will take on that day, Baleshwar. You have no exam on Sunday. Okay? We'll take on Sunday what is the row. 2 hours or 2.5 hours we'll take. What, Afrin?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
That is better. Okay, can I close?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir.
bye. Tomorrow we'll meet. Yeah, we'll complete chlorine and HCl tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye, Nana. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye.
Bye, Nana.